sika ya brand.
Hey, who is that coming? Hey! Why are you banging on somebody's door like that?
I thought you would never come out.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here?
Talk fast.
I came here for something that belongs to me. I actually have something that belongs to me.
What do I have that belongs to you?
Why are you asking like you don't know?
What?
My husband to be. My fiancé. The game.
The game. Your husband to be. And you're coming to look for him here. Is this his apartment? Don't you know where he lives?
Why are you pretending?
How am I pretending?
Listen, this is no joke. Okay? Stay away from my man. I didn't come here to fight you.
Am I acting like I'm fighting?
I'm just letting you know I didn't come here to fight you.
So what do you mean by stay away from my man?
So stay away from him.
Who is with your man?
Because if I lose my temper, you wouldn't like me.
A short girl losing her temper.
You want to try me, right?
I'm not trying you, but I don't get the point. What do you mean by stay away from my man? Are you guys married? And besides, I'm not with him.
It's a good thing.
You've got this all wrong.
I've got this all wrong.
Yes.
I know what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Okay, I know what I'm saying.
Then get your point straight.
Leave him alone.
I'm not with him. So what do you mean by
get married to me? So leave him alone.
And you know that. So what's your problem?
You call yourself?
You know my name. I don't know your name, so you can get it.
Thank you.
So you understand, right?
You don't know my name.
We are not on the same level.
You wouldn't like me.
There is no way I'm fighting with you over a guy that I don't like or a guy that doesn't like me. So stop having those insecurities of yours. I don't want to
see you around him.
Then why are you being insecure?
I'm just letting you know. I'm letting you know. Okay. I came here in peace. I came to tell you something. So don't let what I've been hearing be like it's true or something, because you wouldn't like me. Stay away from him.
Alright.
Before I lose my temper. Right?
Okay.
Good.
Okay, ma'am. I've heard you. Bye-bye.
Time no day unipa. Mo wanemre na peka kana sika ya brand ya.
Now, Kalano, what buy a lot of it was. And Kalano, I'm the past I give you. I don't for 2 years. Make us know. That's nothing. Yeah, shot in the hay. I just a man, Mikasa. Mechanics and yet. It's wadi at the hay. 2 months, Kalano, fast I if you want to go 2 years and casino.
You say, you at least we don't know you so between transfer in and say,
MP. So, what do you want too much?
Boss, why are you always insulting me?
Why won't I insult you? Why won't I insult you? You are behaving like a kid.
What?
So why won't I insult you?
Boss, you remember saying you mean anything?
Do you understand? The fact that you are an elderly person, it doesn't mean you are wise.
Your opinion, what do you mean?
Necessarily, I call you saying you need to penny Jimmy for you.
Didn't you see, Mamma can't you? Hey, a baker comes over the east in you.
Oh,
a small comes over the east in you. That's what you say. My, to see me.
The way that as I made the children.
You say, my, Bernice in you. Remember the joke? Oh, I don't know that's wrong. John in the girlfriend by a soul so mobile wire. Not down. You said the man is so worried. I can't know opinion.
So Casabu.
Oh, the same man, no credit.
Mano dim commander, Miss Allen Chesamano.
So what's in if you want some more?
What do
you see, boy? You see, a crano. Boy, needs me a command my fee. This is where baby my dear. Or baby, Jiwati, in Yago. You say, Jiwapi is skinny. I tell the soul of the Toka in India, my Jiwa. You only know one fun will be moved.
And you're walking many other days.
And the same thing I say, my Bernice,
Sika saying.
Sika saying.
Sika saying.
My see my back of a sing.
Obesine me.
Obesine.
Ana okay say ubi o ano to any convenient radios bi ade ope bi ano waka nti e say no ano no. Wonwe no ho. Uka say wi ansa na wadwene. The ben na ma ye besi so. Na ma ye ni waduri. The ben no besi so adwene. Ehun say 1+1, 2 na the needs come dey. Only see the man and Yansan or the baby. They had the pabber or the baby.
I bet you won't say.
Eh?
I bet you won't say.
Oh, eh? The beer me catching. The time I win this cannon, what do you know? Poor cats, and I won't name my name. So, until I win this cannon.
Whoa. You know, can't be a mean to us you. 91 pa, but a minimum pa, singing a minute. Emma, we do ye pan, Casabi sent all the
others answer where the one pa. Can you say anything that's good, young son? And
you know who you are.
I must call the pa, eh?
And you know who you are.
When you mean answer, you also know more about you wouldn't happen.
Baby, we saw no cool in Nana. We did get a didn't know cool. In the okay, this is a nice old patch.
Who that's one for more bregu.
Hey, need to say pass and come be boss paper now tipa and coy say panic here.
I said, I must want to Gambia teacher. Until I'm an Indian, no mamma answer.
Time no day, Unipa. Mo one bring up a cacana sicaya branch.
Karen, what did you go to the house to do?
I was just passing by. I didn't even know that's where she stays.
She's not your friend. You don't know her. You don't know her anywhere, Karen.
I was going to my auntie's place and
it's a lie. The house, she said you came there to warn her. You are telling me you went to your auntie's place and you were just passing by.
My auntie's place and that house looks familiar. I thought it was my auntie's place.
What should you do? She should have slapped you. George should have slapped you.
Hey, look how he's talking to me.
Why did you go there? Why did you go there? What? What did you go there for? What? Karen, what did you go there for? What?
I said I was passing by. Babe, look at how he's talking to me. Babe.
What should I do now? That's so childish. Why should you go there to do what? Why? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. At this point, I can't even side with you. What should I say? Me too, you know, if I don't come out. And you call and call why not cause you? That's the problem. We quite crying before I did the boat 3 months and I made you home. You went there alone. You plan no fear no. Attack no.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Do you understand what you did?
Sorry.
This is the reason why the girls have anger issues. No, when come out, not boo, not boo. You know, me not boo.
Calm down.
Calm down. This is why they say I have anger issues. Look at what you.
Hey, calm down, Charlie.
Boy, she's a girl. You have to show her what's right.
Yeah, that's right. Calm down. Now, but like you over speeding.
I'm over speeding. What she did know. What can I say here? Or call and Kobe the Bianca. Who are they going to blame? You.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Don't do what? Go talk to her. Let her know that what she did wasn't right. Now, where the next time? Where are you going? My friend comes to me. Where are you going? Bro.
Baby, calm down. The next time, don't do that again, huh?
She can't even try that again. I know for sure she can't do that again.
Bro, I don't always speed you like we say like your casation what's here so also on your beam.
She is disgracing me because I chose her for you. You know, and if she does something wrong, you might think say mama or buy on your camera, bro.
Tell him sorry. Just tell him sorry. You know he's my brother, so.
Sorry.
Joe, I stay here with Vaughn. Yeah, but my uncle comes to visit us sometimes. How? Hey! How am I supposed to let you come and stay here? Hey, please, you are not even allowed to come here to visit me. How much more come here to stay?
Chiwa.
If I recognize who you are, I wouldn't be standing here talking to you. You would have gotten a seat inside and we'll be talking.
Hey, Kobe,
who did what? What did you do? What did Kobe do? All you did was hit me. Although I know you gave me a place to stay, But the side effects, they were too much.
Hey! I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm just away at the movie.
Hey, don't explain yourself like you are the good person. What good did you do? What good did you do? What good did you do? Always making yourself the victim.
Hey!
What's wrong? You just left me inside and what's going on? Queen.
Oh, Masa, who Jimmy or man punch up back? Who fell you Queen?
Aren't you called Queen?
Anyway, Masa, if I'm life in your bro, it's a sign of the baby for getting you know the baby of the
boss. Nyabutre. Get in some penana bibisa. Na me buano.
Single room crime man chain. What did you do? I'm catch me say. Hey, Masa, I'm familiar your bro. I'm familiar your water. I'm familiar your water.
Why are you hitting him? You don't come here and make noise. So go leave.
And then they won't open me. Because of way to open me. Huh? Okay, the man. Okay, papa, the man. Boy, why are you going to do well?
Are you also just standing there? What are you doing?
I'm just listening to you.
Why are you going to do well, party?
Catch us in the banana.
Do you think all guys are like you? Do you think all guys are like you? Who would always try to take advantage of ladies?
It's so long we been doing the
I'm going.
No, it's
when you're ready, you can leave.
What? Okay. What are these ideas?
Get no one shiny entry tea and I'm a big Haman and a boy. There's all I'll be shiny. We need the new someone. Boss. Queen.
Seer, me page me, Seer. Me page me, ma kuse ote. Oje ma di elo be ka je o se fe mi koko, ya bi tu aka ote. O ni baby.
Boss. What's the gate?
Seer.
What's the gate?
What is also me? No punch style here. Yo. Seer,
Binja will you can don't treat you and I may buano like we need to better position.
it's all about treating you, my boy. One habit treating you, my boy. Seer, it's a wound and no. It's a poster. You need check 25, 30 number down low. We get what about a general, my boy? It's too bad for you, son of what I read.
Upon an episode.
That's a man fuck walk around me.
Yo, get the fuck what it's no. Yo, me call you a Jiwa, Fina, Yarenta man. Oh, sir, the guy, no, Queen. Send the ex who said, like, the guy who Charlie, the heavy concert will name your honor. Sir, I may pen a girl, no, I may have aberranted diamond and Simbi Bree. Mr. Girl, no, some penal. I'm just helping him.
You're confusing me because Jiwa now. When are you Queen
Jiwa guy.
Hey, why am I Jiwa guy? Oh, can't you send a minimum if you can once?
Oh, Jiwa or guy boo, no more Ducata, I'm a friend of Queen.
I know what I'm saying.
I say, I may pay Jiwa. They may start me treating girl and next time I help again. I love her too. Once again,
maybe so. What come on, Jiwa open?
Me no ina nim se me mpeje wa.
Me no dey ina nim me ni wotim bro. Wo wakun am na me bisa open no.
Me mpeje wa. I like her as a sister or a friend. Me caring na me mepe no.
Why you bro? Say Africans ankasa ya ni o perception di say oba ne be imagine hope. Ni bibi no. Me nya say me side with you and I say me side with guy no. But then ne wo ye no. Obia bubefu. Obia ne girl. E wo hona so hu bibi sa. Ni bubefu. Because who are you in the first place? Or baby son, who are you? So what's a bit me girlfriend say wako hind diamond. So bro, me make us say you know the new
oh that be no guy no say queen no kra no je no dey girl ni nti na ma aseminya mo bro ma girl na me boa no.
Are you really saying this? You know the girl no.
He was maltreating the girl. They know the crown on him girl the girl ne fa so. Oh bono na was sane near my pam ni girl like
for all I know me know na that side dem ho. E dan na ye kwagie no me know na hwe ho. So what you say? Obe pia na obe nanti campus how do you call it? Obe fa compound wa san bato. We ye den e call mu fie ko hu say o ha girl no.
Oh, yo say nye bibia na meet na. E told me pia.
Oh say asema o can only stand o the game. How sure are you sure ba na susu ba yen wo fie? Ade na wo gina oba na ti say obi maltreat no say den.
Then ni suban she nice lady say ni suban yes. Ni suban guy na maltreat no. Girl no down cool.
By it cover. Wo hu oba ni e say na ye say shensen na iska. Wo hu oba na ho fenti ni suban ye. Sa na wo wutim. The game mobile say na why mistake bi o. Unni ni baby a me ka say mo no. Ba o ya ko chi dodo. The game. You see what the guy ni yo. E say me bo. Oju na nko ne guys na buy na nko so mo form nsanke kan why na ne de
ono ntimi nyesa na ono no as Africa anum na say as anum no obi gina bontin he na yes me guy nka se me si abono no they know in my dinner mention ka me bono pai
the game wo ba guy no
so ne ka as o ya as obi to a even ejiwa kran se me ne guy na ekukura say no respect him asa nka guy we don kan
woni me na kasa no the game na when the new sense na minimum
that could be pia say commotion be ba me
enye ntokwa na ehwehwe ba o minimum oni min na nim so yo ba bro enye na ehwehwe ne wo ye no brother me mpese china e be kwa kofa asem bia ba o twu free girl no ho ne wo ye no asem betimi aba o the game sine wo sia ben oba na wo ye ho no asem betimi aba me dem akan
me did the boy na ye na chinya den enjoy support na be my girl me say obakoso say me hwe na say tramia na me ne boy ni dey see ni
na mo dey see ni
what aso
na mako
ho na wo be hu say me
o e ma ni me na wo ba dia me hu because me nim say na wo ba me hu ni asi enye problem
ma dey see say bo be dey hu
wo na obi kokun ba me hu
be hu
de ge wo na obi akokun ba me hu say wo no
time no dey unipa mo wanem rena pe kakana sika ya brancha
ede yenim so ebisa monam
already seneda na saba no nsare se ba besra ene ebusu
na kwa mesempa ade ha bi guni haboko so bibi o ho aka why because me hwe se de madam fu yesi di bibi o ho ma
over bibi no se we ba na o se didi answer abana because say me wi answer te kom na
boy ni ba ai kwen ba fi yo be long no ba
nya motresi e afini bi say ko so
why ase
kwen
o ba de ofi o
chese de o dia be ye no be 13 ye ka say we prepare osimi di ne yire echi ne yire ni ejewa me meto nim se ejewa
abusuani bai ne nim kwenkwe abusuani bai why don't you do two people how don't you crash kwenkwe it will be if you want to be jiminti asiri ni to open to na to some apprentice e good in church where come for where we kwenkwe he said babambarao kwenkwe he said babambarao where babambarao where come for abusuani bai na kwenkwe adia ya di this year am ajewa ma na so nwale no abusuani bi ni no pate wo ni abusuani asabi abusuan no enimu wo ni nipa asabi ekronto asabi enyado asabi ebru asabi enyado ya teke ya this year edi ama wo yiri mo bia etu bi tibi wa akora do ho a wo su tibi tie no na musician na wo here mo jade man e cause a musician
I wasn't around.
Mizi
Okay man, he told me that.
Okay, what am I kiba no kwa wa na onu kwenkwe no wudi chama ne mi ndia me be kwa ye no mi kwa mi di kwenkwe no e be fa so
person ka me eche no kra so
me eche no we should mo central street Me am a Asantewaa regional minister. E from wako in a doctor. Na me mama ya loku kwenkwe. Wale ah, je ni do say me. E na we ba ni say. Ai ba ni say so kwenkwe. Tini free hoko bi sie ne na yere to. Ah, na dai. Hemu na say na amene. Ah, what to happening? Da be ni. Ma ba no. We free. Ah, the game. Tell the game something no. Mr. Waso. Udi ja bibia ma me. Nemu so step fie wa. Aso.
Also we know the management take action na say oba ni kasa yina ne say me dinire je we chi.
Wa wale no ba we je wa when be say je wa.
Na man
you say je wa.
Uncle, can I step in?
Yeah, you can step in.
Are you guys not sure that Queen or whoever you call himself is married to Ajewa?
Who?
Because maybe he's right in some way.
Busy. When you talk about marriage, do you understand the marriage?
I understand.
What is marriage?
You know, two people being together, they stay together as husband and wife.
But this one, two people not being together. My family doesn't know Queen.
Because that guy talks with audacity like he owns Ajewa.
He's lying. Nobody taking Ajewa to give it to the Queen. Huh? You penny papa de na mo bia. Queen, busoni be ni no me na me yo mo fa. Omo ma me ni di machi. Ya nka ne hunya. Na me kokokokokokokokoko. Ya bibintra. Entinye no kra. Please, it's never true. So relax. Don't ever give Queen chance to step in your house. Try to destroy Queen. Try to destroy Queen.
Time no day unipa. Mo wanem bring up a kakana sikaya branch.
The reason why I came here this afternoon is I want to find out about you and your ex. You are saying it's your ex, but I don't know if you guys are still there with your ex.
Yeah. I said it's my ex.
Yeah, you said, but I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? What do you mean by I don't know yet?
Oh, maybe you still have something going on. I wanted to ask you, do you have anything doing with him still?
Nah. Why would you think I have something to do with him? Why would I be staying here?
I'm asking this because of what happened 2 days ago at the entrance.
But you saw my response to that.
I saw your response, but if there's nothing going on between you and him, how can he get that audacity to come to your house and fight you?
I don't know.
How did he even get to know you? How?
How am I supposed to know? He's somebody who like he knows people, so he can be asking people around. And besides, people knew we were dating, so he can ask around and then find his way here. So that's not my fault.
Because this residence is not a well-known residence, so I thought maybe you gave him the direction.
No, you can go through my phone. His number is not even on my phone.
Right.
His number is not even on my phone. So what do you mean by what is going on between us? We don't have any form of communication.
No problem. But are you sure you still don't have any feelings for him?
No, I don't. One thing about me is that when I move on, I've moved on. There's no way I'm going back.
Okay, that's fine. Because concerning what happened the other day, like I had a lot going through in my mind. I didn't want to show him the bad side of him because I thought maybe you guys were still
bad side of you.
Yeah, I would have fight him.
You. What can you do?
Ajewa, you don't know me.
Think I didn't see you back there. You were just standing there talking to him.
No, I nearly slapped him.
Nearly.
Didn't you see him kneeling there?
Hey, you couldn't even move your arms or your legs. You are coming to brag to me. I was even louder than you were. I was begging you to talk. You are coming to tell me that you would have slapped him.
You don't know that side of me, but if he continues with that, you will get to know.
Then I have to know that side of you, because I don't think there's that side of you.
You know, you will never know because I'm a gentleman and
somebody's come to beat me. I didn't say you're a gentleman.
Yeah, I'm a gentleman, so I'll just step aside for you to.
For me to fight for myself.
After you win, then we go.
Oh, Offa Bibiaboko. Offa, I hope all is good.
Oh, everything is good.
Offa, in fact, this is a new place. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful, pa. Yeah. Gandia boy.
Hey. I'm saying we are safe and full. I want to man who could share boy for. The power you there just one day.
Offa, it's true.
Just one day we bring we share we are connected. And then connected na a mingle.
You mingle.
When you meet your mingle,
then you mingle more.
Yeah, if you meet your plug, put in the charger,
then
pull.
Offa, except for one thing. Ejewa, she's trying to keep some things secret from you. But me, your phone send me there.
My own Ejewa.
Yes.
My own Ejewa.
You send me there. Offa, me power sempa. The me be can queen na chill. Offa, ni Tijuana ibaye. Anything. Queen.
Kwasi ampenyi no.
Ono another wine be Offa. Oba fiwa yenim so oba page wacho sedin oba ya na o sorry na odon na opese osansuba no betina no Offa. If I don't come and tell you and then I leave Ejewa to do what she likes, from Tijuana girl na sansu dey akoni fi.
And then say we blame you.
You blame me
if you don't tell me the secret first. Anything happen, I will blame you.
So that's why I've
that's good.
Yes,
that's good. Now, boy, man, Castle, I couldn't as a quine. May say the yan whole time. I'm a J1 to me yan whole time, pa.
Because we are from Sanka.
So, J1, no, my boy, we pass chance. No, the best you are on. I don't do the J1. Send your me and Concobo for Pina be showing me. And then, baby, I'm take. Me, boy, yo.
But this is you.
Who told me to understand the say? And then to me, I'm free. Now, can I 2 years say, but soon if you were in me
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
5 and 6.
Be so pure hand, there'll be 2 years. Ever son, I am do bram. 1 year, no chain one. I was asked here per 1 year's cast ID. I come. And then 1 year, tremor, a pit and pit. I become only 2 years, a pit and pit. In super, a pit and pit. In suanta, a pit and pit. No, I said them quite set. What do you fulfill? Iddi. Now, why are dear Papa never monk said what you would do? Now, what do you do, Joanna, or meaning how Mr. Handel?
Benyan, what time?
Meaning how Mr. Joanna Tampa. Let's say, I can't say, Quenquino. A fan of Fufra, and you bush anymore.
I couldn't believe Precious.
If you come on, I don't baby, you're just a common news also a killer. Huh? Just a kind of didn't you know? And a wife here. Or the baby of you. Access ban with me now, the baby. How? Who give that access?
I don't know.
Who show Quanquine the road, the house?
Offa, I don't know. I was in the room, I heard somebody knocking, bang, bang, bang. Was answering police.
So Quanquine knock, bang, bang, bang. Why are you doing for Quanquine?
Yes. So Quanquine can't do Quanquine.
No. Yeah, man, alas, how boy no. When you are Gigi for you, see ya. Your bush and collapse and I think your boy no. You will be any little information.
Don't worry.
Try to give me.
Come on to you, more.
Okay.
Anything small, I will come here.
I'm on my young monkey, so be ho.
Dema.
Can I catch my cold? No, for Vito, don't need.
Now, auntie, kiss your brain or the chin be better.
Kiss I will call. So, I can't trust an name Kotaquad. Oh, me, didn't among Pesamo.
Oh, the school in your mouth, one on
my corner by the Adobe Coquepus. Now I should room caca.
That's fine.
because
Time no day, unipa. Mo want him bring up a kakana sikaya brand.
So the game got to this head.
Yes. Who else? Yeah. The one who got this whole place for me. Huh? Yes, for one and how do you think I live here? Hey.
You begin say boss say come now, begin say be a come back the door and I say, no, you say you be blushing like this.
He thought that he's sacking me so that I'll go and suffer and come back to him. See, he told me he likes me and all that. So he thought he told me he liked me when I was working there. So he thought that when he sacks me, I'm going to come back to him. And then God being so good, they came.
That's you now. Wow. So I don't know what to say.
I really want to know what Asantewaa will do when she sees me like this. That girl. Hey, God.
Joa.
What?
That's what I said. The game.
Huh?
It's interesting.
Sister, if you want to say what you want to say it
louder.
No,
that was not it.
What are you saying?
But you both look good together.
What are you saying?
You look good together.
So, we are not dating. Come on, he's just helping me.
Oh, don't say that. On you. He's spending a lot on you.
He finds me interesting.
Oh, no, it's not
and he has pity on me.
Anyway.
He has pity on me.
Come out.
Oh, he has pity on me. Yes, he can see a bright future in
Ghana. He pity.
Yes, he has pity on me.
True.
Oh, he feels like if he helps Von and I, he's going to also get something out of us. I'm sure. He's just helping us.
Yeah, I don't think so. I think the guy likes you.
Nah, don't bring that. He has not spoken about that, so I can't think for him.
He can't tell you.
And he's also dating someone. You met the lady.
Is it Care or
Karen? The lady who poured the drink on me.
That's for that girl. The way I put it.
So they are still there.
Yeah,
as long as he's with the lady and he has not told me anything, I can't assume anything.
So are you going to sit there for that girl to take the game?
But the game has not also told me anything, so I can't
be shy.
So I should ask him. Oh, nah.
But it's not
if he is ready to tell me
yourself.
that, sure. But I actually don't think he likes me because how he is, he would have told me already.
The guy is helping you, so you're a lady. You have to meet someone like you.
He doesn't like me. People help people these days just for no reason.
Are you sure?
Yeah. So you don't worry. You. What do you need? I'll take the money for you. What?
Some of your hair.
The hair. Which inches?
14.
14.
Yeah.
Okay. Which closer? Or frontal?
Any.
Don't worry, I'll get it for you. Should I get you drink? Which drink?
Oh, I'm okay.
You don't want any drink. You've come to this house. You don't want any drink.
Okay, me, I want money. I don't want drink.
Hey, right now you want money. Yes. Hey, how much do you want? Let me see that. Let me get it for you. Okay, I'll be back.
Yo, Neil. Charlie, you may be from a cacram person. Never be for. Say, Roma,
Talk. I'm listening, bro.
I ain't anything maybe but it's about that Jewa girl. I figure, yeah, that girl. Charlie, of late I've started developing some feelings for her. Like, I think I'm in love with that girl. Yeah.
Charlie, stop that joke, man. We are bored. I'll be joking.
Charlie, I'm not gonna meet you. I'm not joking. No, I'm in love with a girl. Right? So me name them Akuma.
Yo, are you serious?
Yeah, bro. I'm in love with a girl.
Like, we are serious. Said you are in love with Ajaywa.
Yeah. Cause Charlie, girl no send your tea and send it. On me crush ya. Like,
how would you cry?
We're meant to be.
Would you cry? Yo, the game you're going to do this, Aaron. Have you forgotten something about caring?
Charlie, caring. It's a whole lot to caring.
A whole lot saying, bro.
Caring is not that easy for me. Like, only needing come up like on time, we were just not meant to be. What you say? I think say maybe in April.
The game, don't think say. You think say, but me I know say carry money also in the movie. The game.
Uni dem picture makuma.
And you say me no picture makuma and come on I would do. The game what free top na badan. We mean you run down. You mean down. And you should you so know the amount. And come on the game money.
But say uni mejewa. Yeah, me hunu kaka. Me buy some few weeks. Charlie. I'm in love with the girl. Like,
again, you are really pissing me. You are really pissing me. Nice. How did you see now? Person will take you. Now I've been, we've been together. I was anyway, so we know say we are almost there. Now what family can say me actually? So what should I do with that caring girl? Me can't mention.
If we're almost there, I feel them empower. Like, send your pen on like yang. Cause Charlie, me carrying I'm not okay.
Ati.
So if you give me the necessary support, now me need you. Send your mommy support or caring side.
The game. Also one pe caring, and I'm say Mate.
That's what about me pen and will support me. The way I will support me, care.
Oba me no na me support me. No oba will pay. Oba me no, and I'm supporting no caring na me no. Hey, Jiggy, now what for be minimum say me support you. Na etina kwa san ko ba ya si. We na di na etina. Jiggy, David, bro. Ajiwa na wo pa ko wo pe wada.
Time no dey unipa. Mo wan emre na pe kakana sika ya branch ya.
Yeah, Joe. Like I told you, like I have some conversation with you. I don't even know how to start it. I don't know how you are going to take this, but I can't hide it anymore. Of late, I've started developing some feelings for you, and I want us to be in a relationship.
So was that why you were doing all this for me?
Oh no, calm down, please. And I'm not taking advantage of what I'm doing for you too. Please.
You can't just help me this way and then come and propose to me and tell me that you're not trying to take advantage of the situation.
Zera, God and heavens knows that wasn't the main reason why I was helping you. That wasn't the main reason. Like, I started developing these feelings for you.
But you have a girlfriend. Somebody I have served before.
It's a long story, Gerard. It's a long story.
I even heard you guys are planning a marriage.
We were. But like I said, it's a long story. As time goes on, I will explain everything to you. But for now, let's just talk about the two of us.
I don't want to be the girl that is coming to snatch somebody's guy. I don't want to be that kind of girl. I don't want to be around and then somebody be pointing fingers at me that this is the lady that snatched these girls. Oh, come on.
Ojera, don't think to that extent. Or don't mind what people will be telling you. Ojera, I'm in love with you.
After doing all this, you are coming to tell me you're in love with me. How am I supposed to believe this?
Ojera, I didn't do this because I love you.
Then why did you do this? Because if you did this as a normal, like a random person, I would get it. But after some time, you are telling me you're in love with me. How am I supposed to believe this?
You are trying to believe me. Like, it's a whole lot. I'm just in love with you.
But what about your girl?
Let me say, we are no more, and it's a long story. You'll get to understand.
I'll think about it. I have to think about it and talk to an elderly person about it.
Talk to an elderly person?
Yeah, I have to seek for an advice because I can't just take this decision on my own. Okay, I have to ask my uncle, and he has to advise me about it. Okay, because I can't just make any hasty decision and be like, okay, what if there are other side effects, and then I'm supposed to bear all that burden? So
if you love me, you know, and if you don't love me, you know. So why should we seek
how
an
your
advice
feelings developed? My feelings can develop. So let me just seek an advice from my uncle and any other person that I think would help. So I'll give you a response later.